The most attractive thing is to get maximum results in no time or effort at all. Unfortunately, that's not how the world works. You have to play the long game. So let's say you want to get fit, you want to change your physique, you're out of shape, you want to get into shape. Everybody would want to have six-pack abs in 2 weeks, or like lose 20 pounds in like 2 days. It's not possible. It's not possible. You have to play the long game. So imagine, like, you're gonna be alive for what, like another decade or two, maybe 50 years, maybe 60 years. So you have a lot of time to work out. So if your long-term plan is like, this is just what I'm gonna do for the next 30, 40, whatever, 50 years, right? So if that's your plan and you just keep up with it, you have discipline, you just work out forever, you're gonna see huge gains, because like in three years time, you can have a massive transformation around your body. Same goes for anything else. You want to start a business. In 3 years, you can make a lot of you want to start a blog, and it's like, oh, there's no like traffic. I mean, consistency, keeping at it, is what gets you the results. If you look at the traffic pattern of any successful blog, it basically looks like this. It's flat, 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 whoosh. And as most people give up before they get to that success level. Same for diet, same for fitness, same for business building. You need to have patience and build a long game. Same for relationships. If you wanna, marry somebody, you need to work on the relationship. It's not like you meet somebody on the bar who's like, hey, I want to get married tomorrow. This is our human tendency. I see this all the time in conversion optimization on websites. Like, a visitor comes to a website and people like just put the buy button, like just buy now. Like, people are not ready. Play the long game, persuade and build a relationship, all that stuff. You can achieve a lot of things if you just play the long game. So stop thinking about the shortcut. Yes, there are ways to get results faster, and there are ways to waste a lot of fucking time, but just play the long game.